Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Holiday Inn Resort in Goa by IHG and this is in Cavelossim area और ये मोबोर बीच से connected है. So you get a private access to the beach, so you will not have problems with any other people traveling or visiting that particular beach. And this is an amazing resort. This is very ह्यूज, ये काफ़ी बड़ा है, बहुत ही मैसिव है. सो मैं आपको पूरा रिजॉर्ट का टूर भी दूंगा. उसके पहले लेट्स हैव अ स्मॉल रूम टूर. सो अभी हम रूम की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. सो यहाँ पे अलग अलग कैटेगरीज़ के रूम है, जैसे यू हैव ट्विन बेड स्टैंडर्ड पूल व्यू स्मोकिंग room, you have king bed standard smoking room, then you have twin standard smoking room, and then you also have standard room. So there are a lot of different categories. These are some of them. Okay, so abhi ye room hai, and as soon as you enter the room, on the left hand side you see the washroom. It's quite clean, very hygienic, very well maintained property. मतलब इतनी बड़ी property इतने अच्छे से maintain करना, it's very difficult, and it's very well maintained. The staff is also very गुड ओवर हियर. ये राइट हैंड साइड पे जैसे आप एंटर करते हैं वहाँ पे आपको कबर्ड दिया हुआ है. यू हैव ऑप्शन टू मेक योर ओन कॉफ़ी टी इनसाइड द रूम. सो वहाँ पे अंदर कॉफ़ी मशीन है और ये डबल बेड है और ये छोटा सा रूम है. एंड दिस हैज़ गॉट अ बालकनी एज वेल. सो एज सून एज यू गेट इन द बालकनी फ्रॉम देयर यू हैव एन अमेजिंग रिजॉर्ट व्यू. सो आपको अलग अलग कॉटेजेस भी यहाँ पे दिखेंगे. सो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आपको अलग अलग कैटेगरीज़ के रूम हैं यहाँ पे दैट यू कैन सिलेक्ट depending on your requirement, and there's a lot of greenery inside the resort, so you will enjoy a lot. But one thing, this resort is a little off city limits, so आपके पास आपकी खुद की vehicle या अगर आपने रेंट पे गोवा में बाइक या गाड़ी ली होगी तो that will be more convenient because इसके काफ़ी सिटी से थोड़ा सा दूर है ये. But as I mentioned, you have access to the Mobor Beach and you have private access to it, so it's easily connected. So now this is the golf car as well that takes you to through the tour for the whole resort. And as you can see, this is massive. मतलब ये बहुत ही बड़ी लैंड है और ये काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल है. और ये देखिए, ये राइट हैंड साइड पे ये पूरा बीच फेसिंग है. सो द प्रॉपर्टी इज़ ऑसम, इट्स ह्यूज. एंड अगर आपके साथ बच्चे हैं, फैमिली, तो वो बहुत ही अच्छे से एंजॉय कर पाएंगे. सो यहाँ पे जो रूम के प्राइजेस है वो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अराउंड 15 to 20,000 and that's an approximate price. Don't quote me on this price, it keeps changing and on different websites you'll see different prices. So it starts from 15 to 20,000 per night and that includes breakfast and it goes on. So as I mentioned, this resort is a little bit on an expensive side, but it's worth visiting. And यहाँ का खाना भी बहुत अच्छा है. They have their own in-house restaurants as well. Fig and Olive is one of them and you get that Italian food over there. सो वहाँ पे भी खाना अच्छा है एंड उनके खुद के जो रेस्टोरेंट है उसके अंदर भी खाना काफ़ी अच्छा है. एंड इट्स गॉट अ मैसिव स्विमिंग पूल. एंड लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट द स्टाफ. द स्टाफ हियर इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, सो वन इंसिडेंट हैपेंड एट दिस रिजॉर्ट इज वी forgot our wallet and we were already back in Mumbai, and उस wallet में we had all the possible credit cards, a lot of cash. So we called up the resort once we were back at the Mumbai and told them, and the manager made sure that it's been taken care. So the lady who was cleaning the room, her name is Pedare. Okay, so she was cleaning the room and she found the wallet and she nicely returned that wallet back to the manager, and the manager made sure that he removed every single thing from the wallet and made a note of it and sent us that list along with the photo with all the cards, all the cash, all the money, even the coins that we had. So he made sure that everything is taken care. So very amazing staff and very helpful staff, and such kind of loyalty you hardly get to see in today's world. But look at this resort, it's absolutely beautiful. I'll also take you to the swimming pool now. And so as I mentioned, अलग अलग categories के room है. So cottages है, then you have pool facing view, you have beach facing, so different category rooms that you have that you can select. Okay, and you can tell them that you want a tour, then they will take you in this golf car. But as I mentioned, it's massive, it's huge. Someone can actually get lost over here. इतना बड़ा property है ये. So but ये resort काफ़ी अच्छा है and you will enjoy a lot over here, and it's off the city limits and all the hustle bustle. It's quite peaceful, and beach is always there, where if you feel bored you can always go to the beach and you have a private access to the beach. Nothing better than that. And food is also awesome. Food is quite good over here. Okay, so now we will also go to the pool side. और इनका जो pool है वो काफ़ी बड़ा है and काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा उस pool में भी. And as I mentioned, every corner of this resort is well maintained and it's quite clean. So if you visit Goa and if you plan to stay and you want a good resort, this is one of the resort that you can put it on your list and you can always visit. And this is the lobby, and they have their own restaurant inside also, where you can have food if you don't want to go to Fig and Olive or other restaurant. And as I mentioned, यहाँ पे काफ़ी greenery है, so there are a lot of trees over here, and you will feel quite pleasant over here, and it's very peaceful. So there is no traffic jams over here, and there is no there's no too much of crowd, and it's not congested like any other small resorts. Okay, so this is the lawn that you have, so you can just stroll around, especially in the evening. It's quite beautiful. You have those small lamps that are there, the lights, and in the evening it's quite beautiful. And the beach is awesome. And look at this pool. This pool is quite awesome. So this resort is one of the best resorts that you can visit in Goa if you are visiting Goa. But as I mentioned, it's a little off limits, so you need to have your own vehicle or rent पे अगर आपने लिया होगा तो. So I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.